Learning faster and saving time while studying is something everyone wants. With the right methods, you can improve your focus, remember more, and spend less time repeating. Here are some simple but effective tips to help you learn faster and save study time. Set clear goals. Before you start studying, decide what you want to achieve. Setting clear goals helps you stay focused. For example, instead of saying, "I will study math," say, "I will learn how to solve quadratic equations today." This keeps your study time organized and efficient. Use active learning. Active learning means you are doing something with the information, not just reading or listening. Try writing notes in your own words, making flashcards, or teaching someone else. When you actively use the information, you understand and remember it better. Take breaks using the Pomodoro technique. Studying for long hours without breaks makes your brain tired. Use the Pomodoro technique. Study for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. After 4 sessions, take a longer break of 15-30 minutes. This helps keep your mind fresh and focused. Avoid multitasking, focus on one topic at a time. Switching between subjects or checking your phone reduces concentration and wastes time. Turn off notifications and create a quiet study space to help you concentrate better. Use visual aids. Diagrams, charts, and mind maps can make learning easier. Visual aids help you understand and remember complex information faster. Try drawing a mind map to connect ideas instead of just reading text. Practice regular review. Don't wait until the last minute to review. Regularly revisit what you have learned to keep it fresh in your memory. Even 5 to 10 minutes of daily review can save hours later and help you remember for a longer time. Stay healthy. Good sleep, proper nutrition, and exercise improve brain function. When your body feels good, your brain works better. Avoid studying when you are very tired or hungry, because it will slow your learning. Use these steps and you will notice that you learn faster and save time. Remember, learning is a skill. The more you practice these methods, the better you get. Start today and watch your study time become more productive and effective.